I just wanted to make a quick video on navigating Google Classroom to see the assignments and the video tutorials that I've put out there for folks that don't know how this works or need another way to look at the assignments quick. This is going to be just a quick show you how to get to it. Logging into Google Classroom, there are classes that have each particular box. Underneath, you'll notice there are assignments. So for my pre-algebra class, in this case, I have 3 assignments. If you go ahead and click on one of those, it'll bring up the instructions, the links, whatever you need for that assignment. Looking at the top left, there are 3 bars. If you go ahead and click on those, it gives you some options about which classes to go to or some other options on calendars. You will get a list, something like this, that has all the classes below. I can click on any one of those to go to that particular class. Or at the top, you notice calendar. If you click on calendar, it will give you Google Calendar with all the assignments from every class in it. So here you can see the Google Calendar, and for today there are 3 assignments, and there was an assignment yesterday, 2 tomorrow, and 2 the next day, and you'll notice that they have colors to them, so that helps you indicate what class and what type of assignment it is. If you go ahead and click on the assignment itself in the calendar, it will also bring up the instructions, the links, and all that sort of thing. If you were to click on one of the classes on the home screen or click on one of the classes in the drop down where we selected calendar, you will get something like this. It is the stream view, and if you are on a computer, then stream would show up here instead. This gives you literally a stream of what's been posted in the time that it was posted. So it's not necessarily by due date, it's just by when the teacher posted the assignment. In this view, you will see the classwork view. That's the one I recommend to go to. Up here, it would say classwork if you are on a computer looking at it through a browser. Classwork is where it's going to be in topics. So in this case, I have everything from March 2020 in this topic, so assignments will be here. So we have Checking for Understanding, Edpuzzle. Those are where the assignments are, and you'll notice underneath here are the due dates. So you can tell when things are due in this view as well. I have also posted links to videos that I've created that go along with the Khan Academy assignments and the things we've been working on in class. They are right above that March 2020. It's called Video Tutorials. Again, it is in this classwork section. And if you click on any one of these materials, it will give you a list of videos that are associated with it. I am loading things in, so some videos may not be there. If you need a particular one, go ahead and email me. Let me know if you're struggling on a certain topic, and I will go ahead and post that video. So most people need to look at division of fractions. There's some videos in there on how to do that. Also, decimals are a big thing, how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So go ahead and look at those videos to get you some help. And that's, if you have any questions, let me know.